If you're receiving more reminders than you need, or you simply want a quieter experience, you can easily turn off notifications in Dola AI. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the different ways to disable notifications, whether you want to stop all alerts or just reduce the ones you receive. So let's jump right in. Begin by opening Dola AI on your computer or mobile device. Sign in to your account if you're not already logged in, then wait for the main dashboard to load. Next, open the Settings or Account menu. Depending on the version of Dola AI you're using, notification controls may appear under Settings, Preferences, Account, or Notifications. Locate the notification settings and switch them off. If there are separate options for reminders, calendar updates, or event alerts, you can turn off only the ones you don't want or disable them all. If notifications continue to appear, check your device settings as well. On Android, iPhone, or your desktop operating system, you can disable notification permissions specifically for Dola AI. Some versions of Dola AI save your changes automatically, while others may require you to select Save or Apply. If you see either option, be sure to confirm your changes before leaving the settings page, create a quick test reminder, or wait for an upcoming event. If no notification appears, your changes were successful. If alerts continue, refresh the app or sign out and back in before checking again. If you decide you want reminders again in the future, simply return to the same notification settings and switch them back on. You can always customize them to match your workflow. And that's how to turn off notifications in Dola AI. Whether you're minimizing distractions or simply adjusting your reminder preferences, these settings give you more control over how you use the app. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.